Welcome back to Shooter's Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna make something fabulous and glittery. Gold like my teeth. I don't know why I wasn't wearing these for a 24 karat gold steak video. I got a steak and I got some gold leaves. I'm gonna turn this steak gold. If you've ever seen the Snapchat of like fucking SALTBAE guy serving DJ Khaled a steak, and it's like, it's gold. So that's what we're gonna do right now on Shooter's Kitchen. We got salt, my favorite salt. We use it on my work for this salad, and I was like, it's not for salad, it's for steak.
Right there.
You're gonna generously season your steak with this salt. I'll bust out Gordon Ramsay and sweep all that salt up. I don't pepper a steak before. If you watch Shooter's Kitchen, you know why. So I'm not going to explain myself.
Fat cut of meat, man.
So boom, that's seasoned. Boom, you have your steak seasoned. You get your cast iron skillet out. Oil that bitch up. You can use canola oil, vegetable oil. Don't use anything with a low smoke point. You want a high smoke point. Unless you want to fill your house up with smoke, that's up to you. It's enough to cover the bottom of the pan. You guys don't need to learn how to cook a steak. There's millions of videos for that on YouTube, so we're just gonna fucking time lapse this shit. Alright, we're done. Turn off the hot pot. Give the camera back to my cameraman.
Who the hell are you calling a man, first of all?
Okay, so once you cook your steak, which is right here on my big ass cutting board, looking beautiful, feeling like a MR, looking like a MR, you're gonna let it rest. It's gonna get that nice pink color to the edges, if it rests right, and then we're gonna wrap this bitch in gold. I read somewhere that in his restaurant in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, wherever, so whatever his restaurant is, he charges $1,000 for the gold steak. This steak cost me about 20 bucks, and this pack of gold leaves cost me 50 bucks. So it's $70. $75 to do this at home instead of traveling to Dubai.
How much damn profit
To get
is
a man
that?
through like this.
$1,000 steak?
$1,000 steak.
What the heck?
He's making $925 off each steak.
His steak is definitely way cheaper than...
Yeah, he probably gets it.
Because he's paying for it in bulk.
Yeah, probably buys the whole half cow.
Yeah.
Probably buys the whole cow. Now we just wait. I'm gonna let it rest for about 5 minutes. The rule to steak is to let it rest as long as you cook it. So if you cook a steak for 10 minutes, you rest it for 10 minutes. If you cook a steak for 2 minutes, you rest it for 2 minutes. If you sous vide a steak, you don't have to rest it. Dropping gems out here. I actually have no idea how they get the gold onto the steak. I have a couple ideas in my head because the gold is like really like, you go like this with your finger and the piece that you tap will just rip right off.
It's delicate.
Delicate. But I got my fingers here. I cut the spine out of the book so that I can just take off a layer and then thing it on. And if all else fails, I got tweezers.
What happened to you will never use tweezers?
There's a tweezer restaurant today on Shooter's Kitchen. I'm not plating my steak with the tweezers. I'm putting gold onto my steak with the tweezers because my fingers are just too rough from all the backwoods.
Show us your tweezers.
Fancy rose gold tweezers.
Alright.
Let's say lady lashes on them.
Free promo!
And then I got this one with this curvaceous woman on here.
Oh, I thought you were sniffing her ass. You look like you're sniffing her.
Not for children.
You
Look at the body though. What do you mean?
Turn it back to the front. I want to see your face.
Shape right.
gorgeous gal. That's actually a custom tweezer. That's supposed to be me.
That's you.
I'm joking. Got that sounds. Veggie pepper
After.
on top of the gold? Oh.
Yeah, when you eat it. You presentate it gold and then you slice it up and season it.
You do what now?
You make the steak gold.
No.
Bring it out to the customer. They're like, oh wow, gold steak.
Yeah, but you just said what word?
Slice it up and
No.
season it. Cut it up.
No. The P word you said.
Pepper?
No. You said presentate it.
Presentate. Present. You present it. I'm gonna wrap it in gold. Okay, let's just try with my fingers first. That's what we're gonna do first.
Why would you do that? Use the tweezers, man. Oh man.
Yeah, it's like I don't even know how to explain what it's like. Yeah, we're blessed. We're blessed. It's gonna look sick.
It looks sick already.
Oh, I need a. Do you have a makeup brush you never use? Soft garbage makeup brush?
No, they're all dirty. What do you need to make a brush?
To make it connect to the sides.
Will it stick to the tweezers?
Yeah, it sticks to the tweezers as well. Like you literally just have to tap.
You gotta use the.
My finger was good.
You gotta use the paper.
Everything else is just ruining it.
Oh my god, this man is wasting gold flakes. Because there's a piece here that's not.
Oh, like I only got 25 lives.
Ian, you're going too fast.
The heat like pulls it into the steak.
Yeah, it's all melting on it.
Oh, I'm pressing down hard with my finger when I'm trying to take it off. That's what's
Dumb.
going on.
Ah, there, the back flip. That's the one.
That was only because it was stuck to the paper. Look at how sick this looks. Yeah, see if I can get it off like that, and then I just tap the corner. Just fucking do that.
Yeah, nobody's got this. It's amazing.
Imagine going to a restaurant and they bring this out to you.
I'm not eating it. I'm taking it home. Yeah, there's lots of edges on this side that are not covered. Once it's on there, if you touch the top, will it come off or no?
No. Okay, where's the open space over here?
Yeah, over here. Nah.
It's fine. Oh, there's steak sticking through right there. Yeah, I need a brush of some sort. Oh, I gotta cover that hole. I assume that SALTBAE doesn't blow on his customers' steaks. They probably have a good method.
They can't see you blowing on it. They can just see that there's some flailing gold in the shot.
Okay, I used the...
What's happening right there?
Where?
Am I tripping?
Over here?
Yeah.
It's not touching the steak. It's like spread across 2 high pieces.
Ah. How much
Sheets do I have?
no, was your how much did the sheets cost? How come you only bought 1 pack of sheets?
Because there's 25 in there.
So you always get more than what you think you need.
Fuck. I keep missing this one little spot.
It should come with a damn tool.
Yeah. I got half a sheet here. We're gonna try a thing.
Can you use the tweezers for that? Oh, I almost lost it. Hey.
Somebody needs to hire me to do his gold steaks. Everything gold. I think the bougiest shit I ever did. I don't know what it is.
World's bougiest steak. Most expensive as shit.
Yeah, you know how much they would charge for this on most expensive as shit? They'd be like $10,000.
Well, they did have the gold wings.
And they have tacos, the most expensive tacos in the world.
And all that shit looks so good.
To this?
Are you are you transferring that
What do you mean?
to the white slab?
Yeah. Count how many sheets of gold we use. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 sheets of gold, 24 karat gold to cover the steak. And there you have a 24 karat gold steak. Damn juicy ass steak, man. Alright.
Thank God.
So now it's time to SALTBAE this bitch up with some SALTBAE. Where's my SALTBAE?
Where did you put it? It's right there in the box. Do I need to be doing the most? My daughter's over there. Please watch where you're flicking your wrist. I'm not trying to end up on forensic files. Do you want your whole thing in it because of the way you're cutting it? I would be so mad if I paid $1,000 for this. The knife on the
Yeah, it's definitely.
Ugh.
Did all that just to cut it up?
Is this how his looks once he cuts it?
Yeah. There's nothing
It's
you
like
can do once you cut
flakes?
into it.
Still looks cool. Cause it looks like
Yeah.
it's
Like-
sprinkled in gold flakes. For $1,000 though? Sir. I need a refund.
And then he comes like this.
Yeah, he does it sick. He needs to go to a class.
And you go to nurse at school.
Yeah.
You gotta get the SALTBAE. The SALTBAE is coming. This is the last SALTBAE. 2019. And this is the last SALTBAE I want to see anybody do other than SALTBAE himself. I don't see nobody do this shit, but I have to. Because it's a gold steak, you know? Last one.
Babe, I'm going to pee myself, please. Okay?
Let's eat this bitch, man. You want to taste gold, babe?
That's it?
Have you ever
For
tasted
salt?
gold? Have you ever tasted gold?
Oh, me so horny.
Me so horny. Oh, me so horny. Oh, me so horny.
Yeah. Does it taste any different than...
I'm gonna charge $1,000 for a steak. Email me down below if you want me to cater your party with golden steaks, $1,000 each. Even knowing that this only cost me $75. You want a piece?
No, I'm full.
The steaks taste so good because I made it, but the gold doesn't change anything.
Well, that's good that there's no... You know?
What did you have for dinner last night, Jacob? Oh, just a 24 karat gold steak. No, nothing fancy.
Nothing too major.
Nothing too major.
No big deal.
Do some SALTBAE action. Flip and wrap around my finger. Alright, y'all. That was another Shooter's Kitchen for your ass. Fucking, I don't even, fuck off, yeah?